Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another tutorial for you guys. It's a nice bright and summery sort of look. Nice and bright colours as well. It's like lime greens, pinks, very summery, very contrasting as well, which obviously I do like. I've done that a lot before. Very fluttery lashes. These are the House of Lashes Sirens, and I'm kind of in love with them. I think they make your eyes look like a doll. Am I a doll? I don't know. Yeah, so this is the look. If you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off this look by priming my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And we're gonna prime the lower lash line, all over the lid, and all the way up to the brow as well. As my transition shade, I'm going to take the sleek Del Mar palette, and I'm going to take that peachy shade in Feel Euphoric, and I'm taking that on a big fluffy Inglot brush and applying that just into the crease, just for something to blend. The first actual colour I'm going to use is the Inglot eyeshadow in Matte 362, and this is just like a hot pink, but it's not super bright. You can sheer it out a little bit. So I'm just taking that on a MAC 217 and applying that to the inner corner and outer corner of the eye, and then bringing it into the crease to connect the two sides. I really want to intensify that pink, so I'm going in with the sleek acid palette, and I'm taking that neon pink on the same 217 brush, and I'm just going over that pink a little bit more in the deeper crevices of the eye, but I'm going over the pink. To deepen the look, I'm going to take the neon purple from the acid palette, and I know it's not a deep colour, but when it comes to the pinks, it does deepen it up a little bit. It's like the darker version of those pinks. So I'm taking that on the outer corner and the inner corner of the eye and into the crease as well, but just in the deeper portions of the eye again. And then I'm going back in with what's left on the pink brush, the 217, and I'm just blending out all my edges. I'm taking NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm taking that on the centre of the lid just to intensify the halo effect on the eye. And then I'm taking my finger and just smoothing that out so the shadows that we put on later go on nice and smooth. I'm taking MAC's eyeshadow in Bitter, which is like a really bright lime green, and I'm applying that using a flat brush to the center of the eye, just slowly building it up. And I'm going in with my pink brush and blending where they meet. These are contrasting colors, so they're very hard to blend. So if you just keep layering up the colors, going back between each brush and layering them up, they will eventually blend into each other. I'm just going back in with a little bit more green just to blend over the pink as well. I'm just concealing my under eyes to get rid of my dark circles and tidy up any fall down. I'm going in with the hot pink, the Inglot Matte 362, and just on a little brush I'm applying that along my lower lash line, all the way along my lower lash line. And then I'm taking a little bit of the neon pink and just blending over that, just to intensify the colour and add a bit more, like of a softer blend, if that makes sense. For my inner corner highlight, I'm actually taking the Makeupgeek face highlighter in Glitz. This has a very, very, very soft pink glow off it. Not a duochrome, but it just has a pink hue almost. And for my brow highlight, I'm taking the white from the acid palette and applying that under my brow and just using that to help blend out any harsh edges. Remember the acid palette? The acid palette was such like a cult beauty thing. It was like my first popular makeup product that I had. I was so happy when I got it. For my liner, I'm using the MAC Brushstroke liner, and and I'm not winging it out too much. I am bringing it to a little bit of a point on the end, but I just want to line just to give a bit of contrast and something for the lashes to sit on. In my waterline, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Freak, which is a pastel green, almost a lime green sort of shade, and I'm just using that in my waterline. For my mascara, I'm using the Revlon Ultra Volume Mascara, just applying that on my top and bottom lashes. I popped on a pair of the House of Lashes Sirens. I did this off camera because it's really hard to do on camera. And then for cheeks, I'm going in with the Benefit Dandelion blush just because it's really soft baby pink. And just applying that to my cheeks. I didn't do any contour, I just went straight into the highlight and using the same highlight I used on the inner corner, the Glitz from Makeupgeek. For my lips, I want to do a really soft pink as well, so we're going in with the MAC lip pencil in Rosy Rim. I'm just using that to line my lips and very lightly fill them in. And then finish that off with MAC's lipstick in Sunny Seoul. This is very, very, very pale corally pink. I'm just applying that to my lips. And that's your finished look, guys. Alrighty guys, so that is your finished look. I hope you all enjoyed. Yeah, I love these kind of pops of colour, these quite neon shades for summer. I think they look really cool, especially if you're tanned like me. I'm not tan. I am as white as paper, but sure look. Yeah, so if you are quite tan, these will look so cool and like really, really pop against your skin. It would look amazing. So if you did like this look, then give me a big thumbs up, hit subscribe down below, and leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the look and what sort of colour combos you like to see as well. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!